For having me here. All credit goes to Mr. Shankar sir, and because of him I'm here. And this is my first ever Kannada movie that I've ever been in a Kannada movie. It's my first ever. So thank you for my entry in Kannada industry, and I'm loving it. I think a lot of media and everyone is so welcoming. I would love to work more, and thank you for getting me here. And absolutely the vibe, and we did a couple of scenes, and I absolutely loved it. And hopefully I'll get more work in Kannada industry. I'm actually I'm a girl from Bangalore. I started my studies as a kid in Bangalore. I did my engineering in Belgaum, so I've lived 15 years of my life in Karnataka. So I'm actually a Karnataka girl. So now I think getting that love also from all of you, and I'm loving it. And hopefully I'll do a lot of more work here. Thank you, sir, for getting me here, and thank you entire team for such warm welcome. Thank you.
Did you acquire any of the new skills for this role?
Sorry?
Did you acquire any of the new skills for this role?
I think skills we develop every day. Each day we get something new to learn, and in the process we learn. So when he approached me with this character, it was so nice with this special appearance. It was so good. As soon as I heard it, I was like, yes, I want to do it. It's a really pretty role. I know it's a like a special appearance, but I think it will have a great weightage in the film, and looking forward to get a lot of more work here. Yeah.
ಕನ್ನಡ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಬರುತ್ತಾ ಅಂತ 15 years ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ನಡ
Actually, all the Kannadigas talk in English, so nobody talks in Kannada. Mostly, I studied in Kendra Vidyalaya Hebbal, so so my dad was in Air Force, so we never had a regional language. We had Sanskrit, Hindi, and English. So yeah, we spoke mostly English. Yeah.
ಸ್ವಾದಿಷ್ಟತೆಯ ಸ್ವಾದ, ತಾಜಾತನದ ಆಹ್ಲಾದ, ಉತ್ತಮ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಮತ್ತು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ರೋಗ ನಿರೋಧಕ ಶಕ್ತಿಯ ವೃದ್ಧಿಗೆ ಈಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತಿದೆ ಉತ್ತಮ ಗುಣಮಟ್ಟದ ಪೌಷ್ಟಿಕಾಂಶ. ಶ್ರೀ ವೈದಿಕ್ ಮಿಲೆಟ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್, ಇದು ಸಿರಿಧಾನ್ಯಗಳ ಸಂಪತ್ತು.